wash away the pain till you smile again. I will be the light that shines every time you cry. Interesting now, because I had these hearing things in my ear. We call these in-ear monitors, and because of the years I've spent in a situation where, you know, with loud music, I had a bit of hearing loss. But it was a bloody bastard. I can't read that. Somehow, you know, I've got some sight loss as well. Can I just finish my work first? I'll just... It'll be my pleasure. Okay. No, it's nothing like that. It's wishful thinking, really. An interesting thing happened to me recently. I was in... My wife Julie and I have been together for 38 years. We get on really, really well when I do my job. And every bloke in the room will understand that. But I said, well, what do you want to do for your 38th wedding anniversary? And she said, I want to go to Singapore. I said, oh, shit. You know, I'm thinking, restaurant, nice bottle of wine, bloody Singapore. So, and I forgot to take the hearing aids with me. And yes, I wear hearing aids. I haven't got to the girdle, but I'm getting So, we get there and I take it to comes the night, you know, and I take it to this absolutely beautiful restaurant. And I'm sitting there, look, I'm married, I'm not dead. So I'm sitting there, and the most beautiful creature. This woman was absolutely gorgeous. She was Sri Lankan or Indian, beautiful. Oh. You did a good job, didn't you? And I'm sort of, Jill's just sitting in front of me, like, and I'm just going, trying to look out my ear. This woman was outstanding. And I'm thinking, oh, geez, I look like pervy, because I've got a little callus on the back of my head from, and you know, it's our anniversary, I didn't want to get caught pervert on their anniversary. Anyway, so that's right. Anyway, she came up to me, this woman looked up, and she gave me the wine list. She happened to be the wine chick. And she gave me the wine list, and I was just, thank you so much. So I kept giving my sense, and I'm like, thank you, no, that was my pleasure. So I'm flipping through this thing, and I said, look, there's nothing I recognise on this. She said, no problem, sir, please, don't worry about it. I'll just leave you with it for a minute, and I'll come back. And I thought, oh, I bloody hope so. Anyway, Julie's sitting opposite me, and she said, look at her shoes. And I said, so, you know, she's sitting off that right around like this. And I'm having a look at this girl's shoes. I've got to tell you, geez, because she's on the way to the thing, and the shoes look pretty good from there. And Julie's turning around and said, what are you doing? I said, I'm looking at her shoes. She said, no. I said, let her choose. I googled myself the other night. Sounds like something you should do in the property of your own. Oh, thank you. Sorry, thank you. Oh, no, thank you so very much. I'll just finish my work first, though. I'll be all right with that. Happy birthday, Edith. Edith Brooks, happy birthday. And I love you too, and I can't even see you. So I better shut up now and sing. No, I'm just telling you. another story. This one called Hearts on Fire. Hit this.